The team at Phillips Home Improvements have built up a reputation over the years as a trustworthy partner for your home projects. From interior and exterior painting to roofing and gutter work, the Phillips difference is on display at each of their work sites.
Phillips Home Improvements is a home improvement company. We provide interior and exterior painting, repair, siding replacement, roof replacement, seamless gutters, and windows. We do things a little bit differently here at Phillips, and the reason I got in the business, the reason I started Phillips was for people. I saw homeowners not getting what they deserved and what they paid for. And so every single service that we provide, be it painting or roofing or gutters or windows, I've designed it in a way with the products and the application techniques, the whole process in a way that I would do it on my home, or even better yet, on my own mother's home. And so I don't choose products and application methods that are necessarily easy for me and my team to do, but really are in the homeowner's best interest.
They certainly aren't just another contractor.
We deal with a person's most valuable investment. This is their home. This is where they've achieved the American dream. This is where our homeowner has built legacy, and where they're building family memories. And so that's so very important. So handling that with care is the most important thing we do. And so having the right people who do love that homeowner and build trust with that homeowner, that's the most important thing that we can do.
When I build a team of like-minded people who care about people, we care about each other as a team, and we care about our customer. And you can buy someone's hands with a paycheck. What you can't buy is their heart. And when you build a thriving team, happy team members, happy employees make happy customers.
Phillips Home Improvement has a simple yet profound mission: to be the company you can trust for your home improvement project.
The crew showed up the first day with a pressure washer and a case of caulk. I said, "Hey guys, are you going to paint today?" And they said, "Well, maybe." You have to understand that the preparation of the job is as important as the paint job when you're done. And I found that really impressive. This wasn't part of the sales pitch that was given by Phillips. It was the guys coming to do the work saying, "Hey, we have to do it right." I would tell anyone who is thinking about doing business with Phillips Home Improvement is that they are a company that realizes that they are in the service industry and they just happen to do home improvements.
So when you see this homeowner with this huge smile on their face because the curb appeal of their home, again, this place that is the epitome of the American dream, where their family eats dinner around the table every meal, where they build memories, to see the satisfaction in their home being renewed, that's very gratifying.
I love making people smile. One of the best feelings in the world is delivering a wow experience to a client, and we're standing out front of their home, in front of their beautifully painted or roofed house, and they're smiling and they say a big thank you. And those big, huge thank yous just mean the world to me.
To find out more about Phillips Home Improvements, visit phillipshomeimprovements.com and designingspaces.tv.